This problem might look a little different from the trinomials that we've seen, but it's not really that different. It's asking us to factor, and we see it's x squared plus 11xy plus 24y squared. So just note that both of your x's are in the first term and both of your y's are in the last term. So when you factor it, you're going to get two binomials. And just like before, we need to fill in the four green blanks. Now, the first one is going to come from this. And then the last one is going to come from this. So if you look at the first one, it's x squared, and we know what that looks like. We've seen this pattern. It's going to be x and x. And then the other thing to remember is that that last term with the y squared, the last term is going to have a y. Both of these are going to have a y. Now, of course, they're going to have a number 2. That's going to give you 24. But they're both going to have a y because y times y is your y squared. Okay, so let's figure out the number and let's figure out the signs. Let's do the signs first. The last sign is a plus, which means that they are both the same. And then I look right here to find out that they're both going to be pluses. So this will be a plus and this will be a plus. And now the numbers back here by the y, the coefficient in front of the y, they're going to multiply to give me 24, and they're going to add, in this case, add to give me 11. So let's find out what they are. Let's list them all. So 24, I'll list all my two numbers that will multiply to give me 24. So it's either going to be 1 and 24. It could be 2 and 12. It could be 3 and 8. It could be 4 and 6. Let's see, does 5 go into 24? No. And then back to 6. So when my left column meets my right column, I have all my possibilities. Okay, so let's look at them. Which one of these, they all multiply to give me 24, which one is going to add to give me 11? Okay, 8 and 3. 8 plus 3 is 11. 3 plus 8 is 11. And 3 times 8 is 24. So here's going to be a 3. And here's going to be an 8. And that's your answer. Okay, if you want to check it, you should go ahead and FOIL it out. Especially if you're taking a test. You want to FOIL this thing out, and you want to find out that you get what you started with.